Good morning, you guys. How y'all doing today? So the 9-year-old woke up with there's no light in her room. The 9-year-old woke up with having a hissy fit. So I'm like, mom, somebody dropped my slime. Somebody dropped my slime, and I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. And thank you to Gia on Marriage and Motherhood YouTube. Sorry, you can see my face. I know what to do. I guess one of her subscribers told her what to do. And so yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what I've done. So I have some vinegar and a rag. Sorry, some vinegar and a rag, and I'm going to clean this slime up. And I still have yesterday's makeup on because I fell asleep before I went to go wash my face. So I look a hot mess. But this is real life, y'all. Real life. Even here, it's on top of the head. It's not down. Stuff is not working. But we're going to see. All right. Let's let this thing go. All right. So it's nice to see y'all on the tube again. Welcome back to that channel, DAT Family 5 channel. If you haven't yet, please consider to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. So I'm showing y'all the slime that dropped in her room. And from Gia from Marriage and Motherhood, I have learned how to clean it up. So here I'm just telling Ezekia to go get another cloth to clean it up with, and this is the big spot. And as you can see, gotten some of it up, but I want to show y'all how I got all of it up. So continue watching and hope you enjoy. Thank you.
These are the days that fly by when you're not looking. Don't wanna waste it on all your nights spent alone again. We are different, stuck in a small town, haven't left just yet. Got bigger dreams running through our heads, running through our heads. Oh, we hear the rumbling of the road, a new song playing far from home. We come together to answer the call. We play it loud, or we play nothing at all. We carry the heat of the summer. We dance to the beat of our own drum. We got a rhythm like no other. We're always gonna be the wild ones. No rest, no rest for the wild ones. No rest, no rest for the wild ones. No rest, no rest for the wild ones. We're always gonna be the wild ones. We've all got a fever, burning up since we were young. We're headstrong believers that the best is yet to come. We are different, got afraid train running through our minds, gonna take us away tonight. Away tonight. Oh, we hear the rumbling of the road, a new song playing far from home. We come together to answer the call. We play it loud, or we play nothing at all. We carry the heat of the summer. We dance to the beat of our own drum. We got a rhythm like no other. We're always gonna be the wild ones. No rest, no rest for the wild ones. No rest, no rest for the wild ones. No rest, no rest for the wild ones. We're always gonna be the wild ones. Fall into line, we make it better every night. Paint it gold when the sun goes down. We just get louder now. We carry the heat of the summer. We dance to the beat of our own drum. We got a rhythm like no other. We're always gonna be the wild ones. We carry the heat of the summer. We dance to the beat of our own drum. We got a rhythm like no other. We're always gonna be the wild ones. No rest, no rest for the wild ones. No rest, no rest for the wild ones. No rest, no rest for the wild ones. We're always gonna be the wild ones. I was running to the ocean. I didn't wanna be tied down to nothing, but since I met you, I didn't know.
So that's it for this quick video. Just wanted to show y'all how to get slime up with basic really Ezekia. Thank y'all so much for this video. Just want to show y'all how to get slime up with basic vinegar. It's not hard. It's pretty easy. So, you know, she'll just freak out over stuff and I'll tell her to stop freaking out. Especially this one because she's the baby and she just freaks out. But that's what she does.
I don't.
And I tell her to stop freaking out, take a couple deep breaths and come talk to me. And don't talk to me. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Mom. Mom, this line fell on the floor. Oh my gosh, Mom, help me, Mom.
I don't sound like that.
I got you. Just pick up the big pieces so I can take care of it. Oh my gosh, hurry up. Y'all have a good day.